YouTube. I know it's been a minute, but it's your girl Bella, and I'm back with another video, okay?
Buddha blessings. Hey, back it out west, slang it out west. Go metallic.
If you're new to my channel, please click that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video. But today we're doing a color video on Creme Nature here. I use the light golden blonde color. I usually don't use box color, but I did for the purpose of this video, and I really liked the way it turned out. I'm gonna post some selfies that I took when I finish this color, because I know the camera lighting is not really taking this color into full effect. Without further ado, let's get into this video on how I used Creme Nature light golden blonde to get this color. So this is the tube that it comes with, but I'm not going to use the tube. I'm going to pour it into a bowl because I used a little bit extra in my mixture. So this is the High Lift Booster Powder for like the blonde that comes in the box. And I'm just going to add this. Then I'm going to add the actual cream gel hair color. Now all of this comes in the box. I'm just following the instructions. I'm going to make sure that I squeeze all of it in there because I want all of my color. So I'm going to add 40 volume developer to the mix as well, just to speed up the blonding process. And then we're going to mix it all together until I get the consistency and color that I want. I probably should have used a little bit more developer, but it's okay. So I started brushing it on, but then I said, it's not that much effort, guys. And I just started putting it on, using my glove, just grabbing color and put it on my hair. Of course, I did my edges last because I don't want light edges and dark everything else, because those are going to process really, really quick. So once I've applied everything, this is how it's going to look. It's already starting to turn. And I'm just going to leave it on for 45 minutes to an hour. I don't like it. This is not cute at all. So I got the Demi in 8PA. It's a Paul Mitchell color. And I'm going to mix it at a 1-to-1 ratio in a spout bottle. And then I'm going to pour in my processing liquid in up to the floor because it is the 2 equal parts mixing ratio. And I'm going to shake it up. This right here, is not cute. I knew it was going to come out this color too. That's why I was already prepared. So I'm just going to spread it on, just like so. My hair is still damp, and I'm just going to rub it on all over. Okay, so the thing about a toner, it changes fast, so you have to watch it. It's already changing, as you can tell. So I was trying to hurry up and spray it all over my head. It's taking all that brassiness, that orangey color out of it. I really wish I would have put a little bit more of the 40 volume developer in. Maybe I could have lifted to a higher level first. But this is fine. I already see this is going to be okay. I'm not going to let this sit on my hair because toner tones fast. So this is enough time, me applying it and letting it sit for literally a hot second from the time I walk from the bathroom to where I'm mixing my hair. It'll be just fine. Okay, you guys, so I wanted to get in the light to show you guys the color for real. My curls are still in effect. My hair doesn't feel damaged. It's not hard. It's still pretty soft. I can't say that this was a successful run with this color. Now, it did come to throw me off just a little bit, and I had to go back out, throw a bonnet on, and go back out to the store and go to what I knew and get a toner. But other than that, I really like it. I'm not complaining at all. So if you want this color, follow these steps. You could probably get it just like I did. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys comment down below if you have any questions. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you like this video. Bye. See you next time.